thousands of Indian students and professionals are facing a shocking reality. Sudden visa cancellations, unexpected bans, and brand new rules that could change everything. Did the US just shut the door on your American dream? Or is there a smarter way in? The rules have changed, and what you don't know could cost you your future. USA visa changes for Indians. 2025. In this video, we break down the latest US visa reforms, secrets behind the H-1B crackdown, and new hope for Indian applicants. Let's uncover the truth before it's too late. The United States has recently implemented several significant changes to its visa policies that directly impact Indian nationals, particularly students and professionals. Here's a detailed overview of the key updates as of May 2025. H-1B visa reforms, effective January 17, 2025. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has introduced reforms to modernize the H-1B visa program. Domestic visa renewals, H-1B. Visa holders can now renew their visas within the U.S., eliminating the need to return to India for renewals. Streamlined extensions, USCIS will honor previously approved H-1B petitions when processing extensions, unless there are material changes. Reducing delays and requests for evidence, RFEs. Enhanced integrity measures to prevent abuse of the H-1B lottery system. Stricter compliance inspections and penalties for bulk applications by employers have been introduced. LF-1 to H-1B transition improvements. For Indian students on F-1 visas, cap-gap extensions. Automatic extensions are now provided to maintain lawful status and employment during the transition from F-1 to H-1B status. Employer sponsorship requirements. Some U.S. employers now require OPT holders to work for at least 1 year before being eligible for H-1B sponsorship, affecting recent graduates' timelines. Stricter visa overstay penalties. The U.S. Embassy in India has issued warnings regarding visa overstays, deportation and entry bans. Overstaying a U.S. visa can lead to deportation and a permanent ban on re-entry. Mandatory registration. International visitors staying in the U.S. for more than 30 days are required to register with federal authorities. Changes to interview waiver, Dropbox eligibility. Adjustments have been made to the Dropbox eligibility criteria. Eligibility window reduced. Applicants renewing a visa in the same class must now do so within 12 months of the previous visa's expiration, down from the previous 48-month window. Decline in H-1B visa registrations. There has been a noticeable decrease in H-1B visa registrations. Reduced interest, factors such as complex registration processes, increased application fees, and uncertainties in visa approvals have led to a decline in registrations. For FY 2025 and FY 2026. Impact on international students. Recent policy shifts have affected international students. Visa status terminations, over 4,700. International students had their legal status terminated without warning due to name matches in FBI databases, leading to job losses and forced departures. Legal protections in a notable case. An Indian PhD student was granted protection from deportation after her visa was revoked due to a minor traffic violation, highlighting the challenges faced by students. Shift towards EB-5 investor visas. In response to increasing visa restrictions, increased interest, Indian families are turning to the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program, which offers U.S. green cards in exchange for investment. as a strategic solution for securing long-term residency. Final thoughts. These policy changes reflect a tightening of U.S. immigration regulations, affecting Indian nationals across various visa categories. Staying informed and consulting with immigration experts is advisable for those planning to study, work, or reside in the U.S.